Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust text direction in Google Docs without a text box. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I adjust text direction in Google Docs without a text box. At first you have to go to insert menu, then click drawing option, then click plus new option. Now you can see, wait some moment, you can see here are text box. Now we apply this work without a text box. Go to shapes and insert a rectangle shapes. Now draw the rectangle shape. Now go to text fill color. Now choose transparent. Now write anything on this shape. Now I write our YouTube channel name. Now we adjust text direction. Go to this option and click outside and click this shape and go to this option. Now wait. Now adjust this text direction to this. Now click save and close. Now you can see I adjust text direction in Google Docs without a text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.